Pyramid Mountain Lumber ended sawmill production. This is Scrap Monster News. Pyramid Mountain Lumber in Seeley Lake, Montana, announced that it has ended production at its sawmill. The closure of the sawmill was announced almost 5 months before. The company reported processing of last units of lumber. The company will move towards the next steps of the facility closure, including cleaning up of the facility and auctioning off the equipment. In the meantime, Pyramid Mountain Lumber will continue shipping lumber until the end of 2024. At the time of the announcement of the closure in March of this year, the sawmill had around 100 employees. This number has dropped down to 55, with many being laid off, while others managing to secure new jobs. The auction of equipment is scheduled to take place late October or early November this year. Until then, the remaining workers will be tasked with cleaning up the facility. The company has not yet found a buyer for the plant site. As per reports, one party, who is into wood products manufacturing operations, has shown interest in buying the land. However, they are not interested in any of the equipment as they intend to build a brand new facility. Subscribe to Scrap Monster Live Scrap Prices. To stay informed on industry news, browse our news section. Scrap Monster empowers you with the tools to succeed, like our live scrap metal pricing. Know your scrap's worth in real time. Weekly scrap metal price report. Stay ahead of market trends. B2B marketplace. Connect with buyers and expand your network. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more scrap metal mastery. Got questions? Leave a comment below. We're always happy to help a fellow scrapper out.